Carpet tile. Now, here's a product that we're putting into a lot of commercial and some residential installations as well. Now, one of the things with carpet tile, as with a lot of the products we carry, we're very cognizant. We basically really try to push for these type of products in areas where there's going to be lots of traffic, lots of wear. Reason being, yes, they're very durable, yes, they're very cost effective, but they're also very repairable. So that's one of the things, because life happens, things are going to fall on the floor, things are going to spill on the floor, you're going to have specific traffic areas. Now, carpet tile, because it's adhered, very similar to like a luxury vinyl, with a pressure sensitive adhesive, we can actually change a tile in the middle of the floor in very little time. Now, obviously it's a service that we offer, but it's something that on-site managers, even homeowners, can do themselves. So what we're going to do in this video is I've got Jonathan. He's our site super. He's the gentleman that controls all the crews and helps out with the installs, repairs. He's going to change the tile, and then I'm going to get two of the staff here to also change the tile, and John's going to oversee it and just make sure they do it right. Of course, if you have any questions, any concerns, please don't hesitate to comment on this. Give us a call at 306-569-3422. More than happy to help you out. But like I say, we're going to change this tile here with John, Nikki, and Josh. Are going to change these two tiles here. So John, take her away. What he's doing here is just warming up the glue. Again, because it's a pressure sensitive, it actually releases with heat. Now, a lot of the time when we're doing carpet tile, we don't actually need to use this heat thing, but it still does speed up the process. One thing you can do if you don't have a heat gun is use a hairdryer. Now, of course, with a hairdryer, it takes a little bit longer. Please don't have it on the cool setting, have it on the heat setting, but it actually warms the glue and she releases. So now he's pulling out his handy dandy little knife or a pick or something, even a pair of pliers to pull out the fiber, and just lifts it right out. You'll notice that there's no actual glue or subfloor or anything holding onto it. Onto the subfloor, well, I guess a little bit, because again, with a pressure sensitive, you apply it, you then let it flash or actually dry, so that way it sticks to the subfloor and doesn't stick mostly to the tile or the plank itself. It's actually the exact same glue that we use for the luxury plank. Sets the tile into place. Now, the nice thing, of course, with the tiles as well as the planks, they're all the same size. So they are completely interchangeable throughout the entire floor. And of course, if at first you put it in slightly crooked or cupped, you just pull it out, redo her again. And done. All right, now, Nikki and Josh, would you please be so kind?
Thank you.
Good. Heat, pull, line up a new tile, push her down, ta-da. John, would you inspect? How do they do? Are they hired or are they fired? So what exactly are you doing there?
It was just catching the edge,
So slightly catching the edge, so just
tucking underneath.
tucking her underneath. Awesome.
Yeah, well, this looks good. Seems tight. That's good.
Awesome. Great work, guys. See, and that's how easy the carpet tile is, and that's why it's such a popular choice for high traffic and, well, just high wear type areas. Thank you. Have a great day.